Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn on the flashlight on your Samsung Galaxy Watch and other models. Let's get started. First, make sure your watch is powered on and you're on the home screen. Next, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick settings menu. Look for the flashlight icon. If you don't see it, tap the edit button to add it to your quick settings. Once you find the flashlight icon, tap on it. Your screen will instantly brighten up, acting as a flashlight. There are 3 lighting modes: normal, intense, and flashing. You can choose the one that best suits your needs. To turn it off, simply swipe down again and that's it. Now you know how to turn on the flashlight on your Samsung Galaxy Watch and other models.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.